Alright y'all, so this is the finished look of this unit, and how do we like it? So I'm going to be honest with y'all, I had to do these edges over. You guys are going to see that I recorded on my camera died unfortunately, but now I'm recording on my phone. But you're going to see how the edges looked when I first did it. I didn't like it. I hated the way it looked, so I had to try to do the edges off camera. I hate doing edges. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. I hate doing edges. They are my least favorite thing about hair. But yes, so this is a seller on Amazon. They sent me this wig and their name is Roiifur. Now I'm gonna link the wig down below for you guys if you are interested in purchasing this wig. But a little bit of the specs on this wig is it is a 13x8 HD lace front wig. Obviously this is cornrows. And I love the detail of this wig. Like, can y'all see that? Look how detailed it is. I am very surprised of how like detailed it is. Like the stitching is everything and I love it. Now this wig is also 36 inches as well. It is very long. It goes past my booty and I like it. Like this is a winner right here. And this will be like a wig that I could just throw on if I ain't gotta do no edges. That I could just throw on and just go. But I really like it. It's very cute. It's very just black girl. You know what I'm saying? Like, you remember when your mom used to do your hair and you'll just pop out with some fresh braids? This was me. This was me. If you know, you know, because I used to wear braids all the time in elementary school. If you know, you know. But yeah, I'm feeling this for real. Like, the other ones that I did, the other braided wigs that I did, I like them, but I don't know. Like, I felt like those type of wigs are not me. Like, they're very cute. Don't get me wrong, very cute. But I feel like cornrows, like that's my thing. So, yeah, and it gives, like, my head don't look big either. And let me just say this, like, I don't have my hair down, like braided down or anything like that. I just washed my natural hair and I just threw this on. Now, mind y'all, I have like 3 wig caps on. So I was surprised that this thing got flat. And we have reached the end of the video. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and if you are not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe. Oh, and I meant to say, do y'all like the new background? I'm doing it in my bedroom now because I just got tired of doing it in my bathroom. I feel like this is more of a neutral type background. So let me know if you guys do like it. If not, I'll go back to the bathroom. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Everybody just wants to make noise. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.